Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Play Store on Windows. Open your favorite browser, search for BlueStack. Open this first link. This link is also available on the description. Download BlueStack. Open this PC. Download, install BlueStack, double click. Yes. Checking your system. Install now. Agree. Now it is ready. Open it. Start. Here you can connect to Play Store and also you can play a different game. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.